What are the three mistakes people usually do while making their affirmations? The first one is they do not pay gratitude to the universe. Yes, you heard it right. If you do not pay gratitude to the universe, how will the universe understand that what you want more? Because the more you appreciate something, gets appreciated, right? And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel if you haven't done so. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can keep getting the notifications whenever I'm making new videos. Right. So with this, we come to the second point. The second point is people do not write their goals in positive and present tense. Yes. So I will also explain you how to make a proper affirmation. So first you have to write your goals in positive and present tense. And then the third is you have to pay gratitude to the universe and take the action, write the action frequency. That is the third thing you have to do. So whenever you're making your affirmations, the first thing you have to do is to pay gratitude to the universe while writing your affirmations. Second thing is you have to write your goals in present. For example, if you want to get some job, you have to say that I have already achieved that job. Okay. And the third thing is you have to write, I love doing that job. So for example, if you don't love your job, what's the use of doing that job, right? So you have to write all these three patterns in present and positive so that your affirmations can work more positively and powerfully. So please don't forget to use this formula so that you can let your affirmations manifest as soon as possible. All right. So thank you so much. And if you have any questions or any doubts about making your affirmations, click in the link below and you can register for a one-on-one session with me so that I can guide you how to manifest the life of your dreams. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.